Nice. Baby has way too many bags. Different qualities of Kaju. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So in the previous vlog, you must have seen the struggle that we have for our breakfast, and eventually we got it, and then we had to get the leaving certificate for Uday from his previous school. In case you haven't watched any of that video, please go check it out. I'll put up the click here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from there, we are going to APMC market to buy some Christmas decor and many other things. So what we buy, what we do, what we are going to do, everything will be on this vlog. So please do check it out. In case you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button right now. And in case you want the regular updates, please don't forget to press the bell icon as well. So bagu, pudsa vlog kasa jato. So we parked the car. Now we'll go and do some shopping. Baby, so we just parked the car here and now we are at APMC market in Vashi.
But we have not yet put up all the Christmas stalls. But there's only one shop. Usually the entire market is decorated, but I think it's from December or first week.
Yeah,
of
in
December.
case we don't get something to our liking, we will not buy it.
Yeah, because there are chances कि अभी उन्होंने पुराना सामान ही रखा रहेगा.
Correct.
So let's see.
Let's see. Sure, let's cross. Just making sure I've locked the car. What do you think?
Last time also इधर से ही लिया था.
Actually, got a tree from your earth. You want this? Oh, nice. Take it.
कितना मीटर बोला आपने?
3 meters.
3 meters. And trees?
3 meters is from there till ये पूरा रहेगा ना? What's it? You want battery operated one? Why? Because वो plugs नहीं है. Makes sense.
और बड़ा नहीं है इसमें मीटर.
ऐसा आएगा 5 मीटर का.
ये कितने का है?
ये आता है कुछ 150 रुपये. इससे बड़ा 10 मीटर का आएगा 200 रुपया.
This much is enough, I think.
हाँ, take 5.
ये वाला लेना.
हाँ, battery but then you can use it anywhere also actually.
निकाल दो तो
Hey, to put it in this, you want or passage? Not the fan, huh? This light looks nice.
ये कौन सा मल्टी कलर टू सिंगल कलर में
मल्टी कलर में कौन से कलर्स है?
बता देता हूँ. चालू करते.
Oh yeah, multicolors also. Yellow one would be better, no? Or multicolor.
ट्री पे येलो ओनली लुक्स गुड.
This is better or you want it plain yellow? Turn on the plain yellow and see.
येलो भी बता.
Yellow looks good, no?
On the Christmas tree which will look good.
I don't know, I'm okay with anything. Both are equally good.
this pink and all also.
Something
Something new.
that. Take it no first. Just
This
choose.
one is.
Then okay, run.
Let him get.
He's getting the other one. Tell him. With regards to shopping, I want it done quickly. I can't wait for such a long time and decide what all to do. I liked one, but I didn't buy it. Finish it off. I'm showing the other one in yellow. Colorful one, take it. Finish it off. Huh? Anything else? Ask him no. कितना लगे?
ये कैसे है?
क्या अच्छा हाँ
ये
ये 300 रुपये
और बाजू वाला?
ये 200 रुपये का, ये 400 रुपये का, ये 550 रुपये का, ये 200 रुपये।
इसमें कलर्स है क्या?
इसमें कलर वाला ये आता है 650 रुपया।
नहीं
नहीं इसमें इसमें कलर आता है ये वाला ऐसा। ये छोटा है वो बड़ा है।
Light will not. We need something like this.
Where you are telling? In the balcony?
Not balcony.
Then in the
Passage.
You take?
Not take. No. It's then रात को भी डाल सकते हैं ना वो.
So then वो वाला bulb we put in the balcony and bathroom.
Can do.
Done.
Price on that? How much is that for?
150 रुपये 150।
How much? 150, no? Nothing has started here in this market with regards to Christmas.
We are still in November.
Chal.
People still have Rangoli over here. Diwali
Yeah.
is not yet over.
Chal, then we'll come some other time only and get here. We'll go and get.
Cashews we can take.
That we can do, or else we can come next time
And
also.
let me do some window shopping over here.
Yeah, कंटाला रहा है. I need to get some bags as well from the market. I'll get that as well. And let's see what window shopping she wants to do. Baby has way too many bags, but yet she wants to come to the shop every time. Maybe already we have so many of these bags here.
To buy vegetables I want. Groceries and all this stuff.
Take no. Here, uncle. किती sir?
कमी नाही कपडा बघा किती जाड आहे ते नाही एकच पीस आहे 150 140 हां ते पण 80
This is good. Huh?
Shoe bags.
Take that, no? That is also good, no? Fruits का दिखता है. This is nice. Chal, take this. Then take. Sure, done. How much is this for?
He's saying 120.
Good. Chal, buy no. Finish it off.
No, I'll ask him.
No, doesn't look good.
ये 130 ला
Setting in 2 bags. Nice. What are these?
These are foldable, no? Just see.
Maybe, but this is good for fish, not for vegetables.
Vegetables are going to be nice.
Better use one fish के लिए separate and one vegetable के लिए separate. Don't mix them both.
Fish के लिए तो छोटा भी चल जाएगा.
No, but this is better. No, अच्छा है. अरे दिन एक्टिवा में डालने के लिए भी अच्छा है ना. You will have to keep it down. No, छोटा क्या है?
We'll see, no? He has.
कलर्स चाहिए तो मिलेंगे
You're buying this
Yeah. For what?
fish.
Yes.
This is nice. Lovely. Nice. Good. So 3 items. Lot of varieties. And my bags also are here. Place is filled with so many bags. Look at this, so many. Done? Now can we go home?
Yes.
Anything else to need to buy? Sure. Wanna have something to drink or to eat some fruits and all? Drink, na? उधर है. हाँ, and beside our shop that we always buy, इन्हें renovate किया है क्या कुछ? इतना साफ सफाई कैसे दिख रहा है? That big ones, 20 rupees one that I usually buy.
We need.
We need my favorite place. Stationery. Now which one do I go for? Simple one should be the best. Baby? Baby? Lines and even maths.
Maths, no? 100 pages or
200. He is going to need a lot of practice.
200 pages का discount.
Get the entire dozen.
Dozen or
Best. Hey, pens also are there. Hey, my favorite. हाँ take ना.
Which one's Apsara और ये Doms का?
कुछ भी चलेगा.
Doms is good, no?
हाँ then take that one.
ये Apsara में भी colorful वाला
Extra dark वाला चाहिए.
extra आपको
एक्चुअली एक्स्ट्रा डार्क ही हो.
ये ना
हाँ, और ये 8 लाइन चाहिए तो और डार्क आएगा.
ये तो ड्राइंग वाला है ना.
Take one अप्सरा other one. कितना का फर्क है?
कैसे
What?
You are saying what? Which one today?
कितना? Which was the cheapest? Both
No,
seem.
all are same price.
Then take Doms. It looks colorful.
This one is not.
नहीं नहीं.
He is using this currently. Dark नहीं है Doms.
सुपर डार्क लिखा है.
किधर लिखा है? So I'll take.
Take entire dozen only one only type because.
Yeah. This one.
ठीक है finish it.
नहीं, ये बेसिक वाला ही देना.
Done. Which one are you buying? How many? I get a dozen only and keeps on only now getting 100 times.
डजन नहीं, वो खराब हो जाएगा.
ऐसा.
और दो देना.
So we have bought what all, baby? We have bought a dozen.
3 types of books: Hindi, Marathi, Maths, and
Other subjects. And we got pencils and all. Baby is so nice. He's carrying a heavy bag for me. For what God knows. Give her.
It's okay.
Chalo. Next what? Cactus.
Take this in the car and come, or we'll take.
Cashews के लिए सीधा जाने में गाड़ी के लिए उधर जाना पड़ेगा.
Let's go here. I'll carry that.
No,
here.
चल go.
So baby, you'll go. I'll stand here. Baby is going to keep the bags in the car. Books खूप heavy आहेत. Until then, this is the food market. आम्ही ते काजू घ्यायला आलोय. So I'll wait for baby till he comes. तिथे खूप ऊन आहे. इथे सावलीत उभं राहूया.
I just kept the books in the car, and now baby is gone ahead to buy cashews. I'll join her right now. The APMC market is quite famous for all these items. Let's see if we get some good deals with cashews. Cashews are quite expensive, it seems. So let's see.
There is baby. I was waiting in the shade.
I thought you were inside. You told me you were going inside, no?
No, I was waiting in the shade. You wanted to drink something, no? Tell him not to put lemon.
Why?
तेरा गला ये खराब होगा.
Lemon से खराब होता है.
Lemon and sugarcane don't have.
हाँ. Then lemon tea why I have?
That is गरम ना baby. ये ठंडा है ना.
You have? दो ग्लास बिना बस. नींबू पण टाका. अदरक also you put. Good? You want some masala? You can put some masala.
Sit.
No, I just eat plain. I'm done. What are you doing waiting for? What?
I thought you were taking your video.
No. I'm quick. You really like it with masala? I'm done. No,
Expensive.
I don't want.
Take your video.
Nah, you don't have. Don't want. I was very fast in drinking, baby slow as always. And now looking for cashews. You know where you get them or? Or else we have to keep on walking. Check out the place. Go. The market is way too huge. Huh? You buy ना मेरे को पता नहीं है सब. You can go na, buy na. So apparently there are many different qualities of kaju. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is lowest to highest. That's how it is. I'm from Guru Krupa. So we have got 1000 40 rupees for 1 kg. Lot of dal.
जिरा चांगला पाहिजे 480 रुपये किलो, मिडियमवाला पाहिजे 380 रुपये किलो. ते 480 वाला आहे, 380 वाला पॅकेट बघायचं.
Rice too in larger quantities. People buy the entire sack, man. You paid or what, baby? Oh, nice. 1 kg of these, right? इसमें भी तो लाइन है.
पेन कुठं कुठे घेतो रे दादा.
Nice, no?
चीज फ्लेवर
Cheese flavor, no? It's good. Check this out.
कैसे बोले आपने
100 रुपये का.
We just tasted this and we got kachori also. I want to taste. You want, baby?
लाइक इट
No. I'm going to Hridaya and I will pounce into this.
टेक 10
कितना? आधा किलो?
नो
पाव किलो.
पाव
पाव किलो. This is the place that we bought from. Really good. And he's the one who sells it, so you can ask him whatever you want. So guys, this is where I end the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. We did a bit of shopping. Christmas shopping तो ज़्यादा हुआ ही नहीं because of ज़्यादा कुछ आया ही नहीं है मार्केट में अभी. I guess we are too early to go in for shopping. But ठीक है, जब आएगा हम लोग करेंगे shopping. And we got some eateries as well, something that I like, and we got some books for the day. So a good day in APMC. We haven't finished shopping. We have some more shopping to do at APMC market in Washi. So for that you need to watch the next vlog. So असा होता हा आमचा अर्धा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.